Well, you know, it's Fairy Garden Thursday. Any Thursday, any of you can join in and put a fairy garden together with us. And don't forget to let me know that you put one up, for I can make sure that I come over and check it out and watch your video. And maybe you might even get a shout out for joining in on the wonderful, wonderful Fairy Garden Thursday. Don't forget, it can go up anytime on Thursday. It doesn't have to be any particular time. The only thing is it has to be on Thursday. So please come on by and join in on all the fun. We'd love to have you. See you there. Good morning to all of you. You know what time it is. It's Fairy Garden Thursday. And today we're going to share a few of our past fairy gardens that we've done and show they're still looking pretty good, don't you think? And the plants have grown up so pretty around them. And here we come down, and here we have another one. It's looking still pretty good. The plants are looking great. And here's another fairy garden. And everything is still looking really good. Oh my gosh, all the fairies are out having so much fun playing, are they not? And the gnomes. We have our little girls out here teeter-tottering, and our little gnome out here thinking about doing a little gardening this morning. Now, what are we going to do here? We need to get busy and put this little fairy garden together, don't we? This is a new one I just got at the M&M Nursery. And I was very, very happy with this, and I'm going to share with you what I bought for Valentine's. Sit down with your cup of tea and watch me put it together. Well, here we are. I got my little bench and chair that I bought at M&M Nursery, and our little table. And look at all the cute little mushrooms scattered all about. Let's see if we can hurry and get it ready. Because guess what? It's sprinkling out here. Now, I was pleasantly surprised that I actually had some mushrooms that I already owned that match these mushrooms on these chairs and tables perfectly. Aren't they wonderful? And guess, best part of all, it didn't cost me any money. And I'm going to have to hurry because now it's starting to rain. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, doesn't it look beautiful? Can you hear all the rain coming down? Like an idiot, I'm out here filming in the rain now. But I thought it turned out really, really nice. What do you think, my sweet friends? And doesn't it look nice with all the other fairy gardens? They're all going to be so happy with all this new fresh rain coming down. Well, hope you enjoyed this short little fairy video today. Even this fairy garden still looks so beautiful, doesn't it? I'm so happy how everything is looking in this little area. As you can see, we're just adding another fairy garden to another fairy garden. Eventually, it will be full of beautiful fairy gardens for us to enjoy.